Hello, how are you, Adam? This video I'm going to make to explain everything that you have asked in this email. First of all, I would like to thank because you have provided me that file that I had talked about in my comment, but I have already received that from one of the DAMASK users, and I have that file now. And secondly, about your query, as you have asked that you are using Dream3D to make the input files for DAMASK, which are material.configuration file and .geometry file, and you want to visualize the microstructure that is generated as a result of this pipeline which is run in Dream3D. So basically, the problem where I think you need to understand something is this, that the material configuration and geometry files are basically text files, and they cannot be read by the para view for the visualization of the microstructure. So what you have to do is just make a .vtr file from the pipeline that you run in Dream3D, and after that you can use that file to visualize the microstructure in ParaView. So how to make that and how to do this process, I'm going to explain that to you. First of all, as this is the file that you have sent me, and we have Dream3D here. We can run on this Windows and we can see what your pipeline basically have. So this is your pipeline, and these are the filters that you have used. So you have used total 10 filters, and you are exporting DAMASK files. Okay, so if I run the pipeline that you have already made, you have to select the output file. Let me have this file here. This is the folder, and suppose we want to save the files over here, and this is the name of the geometry file which will be generated as a result. Okay, and run the simulation. So run it again. These are the two files which you will get as a result of this pipeline. Okay, but these two files are not enough to visualize. They have the information of the microstructure which can be used by DAMASK, which can be read by DAMASK, but you cannot visualize them over here. For that, you will have to add a filter, and which is VTK. If you write VTK, you can see VTK rectilinear grid exporter. Okay, if you add this over here and select output folder from here, like Adam's work, I have selected over here. And I have to select the cell data from here, and these are the attributes that you want to see in the visualization file. And if I run and see in the add-ins folder, I have this file which is VTK file, and I run the ParaView to see the visualization, to see the microstructure visually. I can understand over here. So this is the file which can be seen over here. You have to select surface, and these are the attributes which we have written in this file: boundary cell, Euler angles, feature IDs. Suppose we want to see the Euler angle, the orientations. These are the orientations of the microstructure that you have generated. Okay, the bigger grains are obviously the matrix, and the smaller grains are the precipitates or the second phase particles. So this is how we can see the file on ParaView. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please let me know.